What real broiler money looks like, not just talk, daily action. Fully grown, strong, healthy, and ready for market. It's delivery time. Cash in. This is where the work pays off. Smart farmers don't spend, they reinvest. New chicks, fresh sawdust, clean house, dry bedding. This is where success starts again. Day 1, brooding begins. Heat, care, attention, no mistakes here. Next day, reset everything. Even the vehicle stays clean. Back to the farm, check the chicks. Every detail matters. Wash feeders and drinkers. No shortcuts, this prevents disease. Week 5, growth is visible. This is where profit is built. And just like that, another sale. The cycle continues. If you treat poultry like a system, it will pay you like a business. Follow for real farming.